Hello, and welcome to Sermfy Church Management System. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a member in Sermfy, whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device. We'll cover manual member registration, adding members using QR code, bulk member upload using xlsx file, and where to access all registration tools. Let's begin. Adding a member manually. First, log into your Sermfy dashboard. From the left sidebar, navigate to Membership and click on Members. At the top right corner of the Members page, click on Add Member. A registration form will appear. Fill in the required details such as name, phone number, member type, and any other required information. Once completed, click Add Member to save. The new member will now appear in your member list. Adding members using QR code self-registration. This option allows members to register themselves. From the Members page, go to Registry Tools. Click on Generate Registration QR. A QR code will appear. You can download or print this QR code for display. Members can scan the code with their smartphones and complete their registration directly from their device. This is the recommended option if you want to register multiple members instantly. Instead of entering details manually, simply generate the QR code and display it during service or events. Members can scan the code with their smartphones and complete their registration themselves in real time. Bulk member upload, xlsx import. If you want to upload many members at once, use the bulk upload feature. On desktop, go to Registry Tools and click on Bulk Upload. First, review the instructions carefully. Download the sample xlsx template to understand the exact format required for a successful upload. Choose your import type. Single name column. Multiple name columns. Click Select File and upload your Excel file. Preview the data to check for errors. Then click Import Members to complete the process. On mobile, the process is the same. Only the interface layout is different. Tap Members from the bottom navigation bar. Then tap the floating action button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap it, you will see all your registration tools, including Add Member, Bulk Upload, Generate Registration QR, and more. Follow the same registration steps we demonstrated on the desktop version. And that's how you add members in Sermfy Church Management System. Explore more tutorials to fully maximize your church management experience with Sermfy. Thank you for using Sermfy Church Management System.